Hi, I'm Maria. I just wanted to share a bit of my experience with a virtual assistant course I'm currently taking at Virtual Lasting. To begin with, I have never worked or experienced being a virtual assistant before starting this course. I just knew that I have to learn a new skill that will give me some flexibility and the opportunities of working online that led me to VAU. So, what I really like about virtual lasting is how beginner friendly it is. They don't assume that you know anything, which was perfect for me. Every module, every course, every day, it's it's breakdown into simple modules, and the pace is very manageable, even if you're starting from scratch. I never felt overwhelmed, and I've been enjoying the process of learning, especially the tools and the applications that will equip me to become a virtual assistant. So now I'm still in the process of completing the course, but I feel a bit more confident. Before, I feel stuck. I don't know where to begin, I don't know what to do. But now I feel there's a bit of direction. I mean, there's a real shot of what expected or the expectation of being a virtual assistant. So, as they say, it doesn't guarantee that you will get a job after you completed the course, but it gives you the foundation. And I think that's the most important thing, especially when you're starting from zero like me. So, yeah, if you're unemployed, just starting out, or even curious about working online, I'd recommend checking the courses that they offer at Virtual Lasting. I would like to shout out to Sir Orsi, which is very patient every day in discussing the modules, discussing the assignments and the tasks that we have to do to complete those courses. I mean, he's been very patient and very accommodating to all the questions and inquiries from his students. So thank you, sir. Very great help for us. So I'll be putting um, the virtual lasting homepage and their Facebook account below this video so you can check them out. Make sure to subscribe, follow, and who knows, you might be also interested to enroll. So, as they say, it just takes one step at a time, guys. So, voila, it's derecho, which means thank you and good luck. Bye, guys.